Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, here is the 666 with the 999 motor with a front truck and a rear truck. The rear truck was no big deal. It's a standard truck. The front truck, I didn't know if this was going to work. It seems awfully small for a 666 since it came off a 999. So I could adapt a standard 666 front truck by drilling a hole here with a screw, probably a nut and a bolt actually, to allow it to pivot. Right now I've got these held with a couple of flathead sheet metal screws. Just an experiment to see if it was going to work, and it seems to. So we have a front truck and we have a rear truck on the 666 with the 999 motor. So first test around the rail. Trying to document this. Anyway, so still have not installed any of the screws or anything, but just want to see if this front truck is going to work. Rear truck's installed. So a 666 with a 999 motor, forks and slides, front and rear trucks. First test. Let's see what happens. And it is running. It runs really smooth. That's the neat thing about this. You can see it's maintaining a constant speed all the way around. And that's a double reduction motor, so we haven't lost anything as far as pulling power. So it's almost finished. Now it's just a matter of locating the mounting holes, getting the front truck mounted, and a bit of cleanup to make it look nice. But it works. That's the neat thing about it. So a 666 with a 999 motor mounted in it with front and rear trucks. So about 1 day so far to do this. I started working on this last night, actually. So as you see, the truck is working, rear truck is on, and a 999 motor. So it's an interesting experiment, no doubt. Like I said, this is definitely a custom 666. Definitely one of a kind. I have never seen one of these before. So basically it was a challenge to see if I could put this motor in here. And with a bit more judicious tweaking, this is going to look like it came out of the factory this way. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video on mounting the front truck. It works. This is the stock truck, front truck for the the 999 motor. Anyway, just mounted it on the front crossbar with a couple of sheet metal screws for now. Just put the rear truck on it, and it's up and running. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.